Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Wednesday, August 15th, 2012. Stocks in mixed, with the Dow down just a fraction, the S&P up 0.11%, and NASDAQ up almost a full 0.5%, but small caps gang almost up a full percent. Anytime you have small caps and NASDAQ acting this strong, you better believe this could be a catalyst acting as a leading indicator of what is to come. Banks up 0.75%, giving us validity of today's run. VIX down 1.5%. We are still, get this, under 15. Commodities do fairly well. Gold up 1/3%, barely in positive territory on silver. Crude oil up 0.77%. US dollar up 0.26%. Even with the dollar up, markets continue to make green. So with this, let's take a look here at the markets as a whole. And isn't this really interesting that we continue within this channel, these two blue lines going straight up. We are staying there. At one point I thought we were going to break down below it. We did not do that. So believe you me, we're going to move one direction or the other tomorrow, and that is Thursday. Mark my words, chances are really good that we're going to break down really nicely, or we're going to get a nice pop. I would say, I'm going to give it a 30% chance that we will stay below this red line. If we do go higher, I think that we have a much better chance of going higher than the red line, and then we have a chance of going down tomorrow. Now overall, I still think that there's a bigger chance of a drop than a pop taking place, just because of how aggressively the markets have been moving upward. So that is why I am still hedged in the markets. I have not made my decision on if I'm going to remain long in this or go ahead and keep my hedges, loosen up some of my long positions, let my hedge start to make me money to the downside. It's just too early to tell, and I certainly do not play what I think. I trade what I see, and what I see right now is an extended run. I do see a high base starting to be made, but what I do not see is a high base breakout, and what I do not see is a significant drop taking place. So that is why I'm staying pat here in the markets. If you look here at the Dow's already broke below the support line. Support, we're on the wrong side of that. The NASDAQ, however, started to break down yesterday, but today we come popping right back in its face, and the Russells looks really healthy. Nice high base, big engulfing pattern. You got what's called a belt hold line. Look, no lower shadow, no upper shadow. It started low, rallied all day long to the close, and we are still within this huge symmetrical triangle right here. I'm going to actually get rid of this line. You can see this symmetrical triangle. We got resistance. We need to break out of that to stay bullish here in the markets. Here is gold. Gold's chopping around. I'll draw a couple lines for you guys here. This thing is in a pennant type formation, and believe you me, this thing's going to move one direction or the other. It could be a nice breakout or a breakdown. I'm going to take a look at the spider, see what the volume is at. Ooh, today's trading was light. Let's go to the ES. Yeah, just nothing to get excited about as far as volume is concerned. But that's typically what happens in consolidation. Volume will dry up, and that's precisely what we're seeing. That's why I think Thursday, or at least by Friday, we're going to see one movement or another going into the weekend. We're gearing up, speaking of the weekend, gearing up for the mentorship. We only do this one time a month. This is your time. Finally, quit thinking about it and just pull the trigger and do it. We have 2 spots available. Looking to fill those 2 spots for Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Hope you can join us. Take care and safe trading.